How to add a VPN profile or connection on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on connections. After that, scroll down and then tap on more connection settings. Now in here, tap on VPN. At the top here, tap on the more button. Then tap on add VPN profile. From here, in the name text box, you can name your VPN profile. So here I will name IT Jungles VPN. Next, you can choose the type of VPN connection. So here I will select IKE v2 IPsec MS Chap version 2. Now in here there are different profiles that you can choose, different connection type. So this information needs to be retrieved from your VPN provider. So depending on the service that you are using, sometimes it may be IPsec, PSK, or MS Chap v2. So just find the information from your VPN provider. Next, we go down to the server address and type in the server address. So here I will type in IKE.gg. Okay, so that is the server address for my VPN service. Then I'll go down and tap on username and password. So I leave off this default and I go down and tap on username and password. So enter in your username from your VPN account 033. Then put in the password. Here I will choose always on VPN and then tap on saved. Then tap on turn on. And now it is attempting to connect to the VPN server. You should see it's connected. And at the top here there is a lock or a key icon. So if you swipe down, it says here, always on VPN connected. And I can tap on it to view more information. And that's it. I'm now connected to a VPN server. And you can tap on it to reset the settings. So tap on it to reset it. And then you can turn it on. And that in here, you can also tap on the settings icon to reconfigure your VPN network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.